Hello, friends. So, welcome to Prasanna Kumar Sir PK Sir classes. I'm really thrilled to present you this particular video. As you might know from the title of the video, that yes, we are starting test series, and this we call it as Team Exam Heist Test Series. So, before we get to this, first of all, thank you so much, guys, for the stupendous success of the Exam Heist team's free revision Premier League classes, and the kind of response that we have received, it was tremendous. It was really overwhelming, and we are really owed to you guys for that. Thank you so much. And after that, to be very honest with you, we were getting a lot of messages from students saying that, sir, we have been going through a lot of test series, and because when we really want to write the real exam, we just need to experience it beforehand so that we'll know how to manage time and all these things. Of course, that's very much needed, and for that we have paid some XYZ test series, and unfortunately, most of the times what we have found was the questions were copy pasted from the study material and stuff like that, that anyway we could find it ourselves. So we are not getting any sort of value addition and stuff like that. So why don't you guys start, because we really loved your classes, and why don't you take it as a responsibility and come up with something. So initially we were a little bit hesitant, to be very honest with you. Why? Because it's a, see, for anything to do you need to spend a lot of time. To be very honest with you, time is required, because we cannot do something, or we cannot what do you call, assign the work to somebody else, where the work can be, what do you call, sub quality kind of a thing, which means it doesn't reach your expectations. It's not going to work that way. So we have to spend time as a faculties on the paper setting or whatever it is. So initially we were hesitant, because if at all we have to give a quality product, otherwise it's not going to work. But then eventually, after receiving lots of WhatsApp messages, Facebook and Insta and Telegram, everywhere, then we thought that if students are really asking us, and they're really having that confidence on us, why don't we go for it? Because ultimately, uh, students are everything, right? So we have decided, yes, go for it. So, and here is the announcement. And the announcement is, as you can see here, Exam Heist, Team Exam Heist CA Final Test Series. As you can see, it's powered by, you got Advait, you have DSTC, that is Durgesh sir tax classes, you have PK sir classes, and you have Tarun's Binary. So all of us have come together, and so it's powered by all these four stupendous faculties over here, faculty teams as such. And so for whatever the details that you want, you can go with this WhatsApp number over here, that is the number that is visible over here. And so for the first time, as you can see, question papers and solutions set by India's renowned faculty for all subjects. So that's the good thing about this test series. We are spending time. Many students have been asking me in my Telegram group as well as in personal messages, sir, are you setting the paper for SE and PE? My answer is yes. I'm the one who is going to set the paper, and trust me, the paper is not going to be easy. Yeah. So I always go with. I always like trying something new. And so you can ask me what kind of new things that we can expect from your test series. See, one thing is that we cannot take away the study material's importance. So I'll be discussing only with respect to my subject, because remaining subjects, it's all about the rest of the faculties, how they are going to approach. And of course, because the team is excellent, they're going to give you the best. There is no doubt in that. Now, with respect to my paper, what I can tell you is that I'm going to go with study material questions as well. RTPs, MTPs, additional case studies, everything that has been provided by ICA. To put it very simple, ICA sources, because obviously 70% of your questions in the examination comes from that, so we cannot ignore it. But at the same time, we're gonna add a new flavor as well. What is that new flavor? I can just give you a rough idea right now. Sir, is it going to be international case studies? Yes. Sir, is it going to be something beyond that? Yes. So what is that? I cannot reveal right now. Okay, you will see it only in the question paper. Kulja Sim, right? So therefore, sir, are we going to get value addition, which we are getting disappointed in various other exams? So as far as my paper SMP is concerned, because I'm going to set the question paper, yes, I mean test series papers, yes, you are going to face something new for sure. Okay, then what about the other things? It's not going to be totally new, because as I told you, we cannot take away the ICA sources importance, because questions are directly lifted from there in the examination. So in addition to that, yes, you're going to have lots of new things. You will have PK Sir's touch for sure, and it's going to be challenging, right? Okay, what else? So as you can see, for the first time, question papers and solutions is set by India's renowned faculty for all subjects. Yep. So High number of exams to build confidence, obviously, because the number is very huge, as you can see here. Single group, the total number of tests is going to be 56. Both groups, the total number of tests is going to be 104. So obviously high number. Comprehensive coverage of the syllabus with appropriate time given for preparation, obviously that we have planned. All subjects, question paper, and solutions set by renowned faculty, subject experts, not CA inter past guys, and not CA final students who are preparing for the exam, and not somebody else. Are you able to understand? It's gonna be us, the team exam heist, as you know. Customization of exams chapter wise based on students' preference, that is also possible for students who are not willing to follow exam heist schedule. So you have two choices over here. Either you can stick on to exam heist schedule. I'll show you that shortly in this video itself, and you can go along with the schedule. Or if you say that no, I don't want to go for the schedule. I want to write examination based on my own preparation strategy. I have a strategy. I have a what do you call schedule with me. I have a preparation plan. So I want to write examination according to that. Suppose I finish off one chapter, I want to write examination based on that chapter. I finish another chapter, I want to write exam based on that chapter. If that's your case, then that is also possible. See, we have thought about every variability. So that's the beauty of our team. You can trust, obviously, right? So customization of exam is also possible. So there are two types of students. You have two options. One, sir, I will go with the exam high schedule. I will show you the schedule shortly, and even if you call that number, they will be sending you the PDF of the schedule as well. You can go with the schedule, no worries. Option number two, sir, I have already started preparing for my exams, and I have, based on my own set, I have my own customized schedule, and I cannot deviate from that in order to write the exam high test series, because that totally disturbs my preparation, strategy and all that. No worries, you can stick on to your schedule and still you can write the exams. Are you able to understand? That's one thing. Next, so available for both groups and single group, including old syllabus and new syllabus, obviously. Premium service, evaluation and review of answer papers by qualified chartered accountants. Now, here's the thing. Now, when you write an exam in a test series, obviously the answers has to be evaluated. Otherwise, what is the use? Of course, still there will be use because you can assess your time and all that. But still, it will be, what can I say? A 360-degree completion will come only when it is, valued. So now you have two choices with respect to the valuation. Choice number one, self evaluation, and you can just try to do valuation by yourself at your home once you write the examination. That is one option. The second option is the premium service. So premium service, in the sense, your evaluation and the answers will be corrected by qualified chartered accountants. We have a team of them and they'll be taking care of it. When we say qualified CAs, they are qualified CAs. Okay, so they're gonna evaluate it, and so you have two choices. Whichever you want, you can choose. Obviously the premium service will cost you a bit more when compared to the self evaluation stuff. That's one thing. And as you can see here, a team consists of more than 2 dozens of experienced qualified CAs and few semi-qualified CMAs to create a winning combination to implement the test series successfully. Uh, Here I would like to correct it a bit. Right now it's gonna be only CAs. That when that what do you call the creative was prepared, it was a different thought process. But then now it's gonna be completely, questions will be created by us. Okay, so the faculties, and the answers will be corrected by chartered accountants. We have group of qualified chartered accountants and they'll be doing the job. Okay, as you can see, your favorite team. So Chinmay Hegde sir, the rankers, he's all about rankers, right? So he's faculty for FR and SFM, and we have Punarvas Jaykumar sir, as you know, the Bayrak decoder, and people are just loving him. Ravikiran Balla sir, he's faculty for advanced auditing and professional ethics, the new blood, hot blood, youngster, and you will definitely find his value addition. Of course, myself, I don't want to say anything about myself. I'll be boasting myself, embracing, right? Durga Singh sir, DT King, he's gonna rock his own paper. And of course, my dear brother Tarun sir, faculty for indirect taxes. My dear brother, in the sense, not own brother, but so he's like a brother to me. Anyway, so he the faculty team is just fantastic. I love them personally. We see, you can just say that I think probably this is the first time in history where a team from different states, each of us are from different state, to be very honest, and we have joined together and come out with something that's really special. So I think yeah, the output, you would have already faced it in RPL. You would have already seen it, how the quality is going to be and how we execute it to near perfection. Sorry for that. So these stalwarts of faculties are going to set your question papers, and definitely we'll put in our best efforts. Already we are putting our time and effort on the same. The work is going on already when I'm recording this video for you guys. Okay, so what else? I have jotted down few points over here so that you guys will get clarity. Now anyway, so let me show you one more announcement over here. Once we have announced this, we are getting huge inquiries to this particular number. I think on an average we are getting around 100 per day. So thank you so much guys, that's rocking. And many things that students have requested from us is, one, sir, this is COVID-19 scenario. Many of us have got this purchasing power issue, so the money has not been that good because the economy is not that good. Here and there, everywhere, the earning capacity has got stopped. To be very honest, I mean, the earning process has got stopped. So when we were getting repeated messages and calls for the same, so we thought that we need to take it very seriously, and immediately now we have announced the same. So on request of many students, and taking into consideration on this COVID-19 effect on the financial position of many, so we decided to provide discount on the test series, 30% off on self evaluation, and 20% off on premium service. That is till 21st July. So that's one thing that you guys can hop on. But as now I'm recording this video, it's already 21st July. Hopefully I'll try to ensure that it is extended for another 2 or 3 days. I'll just talk to my team and our team, the exam heist team, and we'll ensure that it will be extended for another 2 or 3 days. So buckle up guys, so we're gonna be on for a fantastic ride. Okay, I hope this is clear, right? Okay, chalo, fantastic. So let's move on now. Now this is going to be your schedule guys, exam heist. So CA final both groups. This is a 90 days planner for the exams, as you can see here. So question papers and solutions compiled by renowned CA faculty. That's obvious. You know that. I don't want to tell it again and again. So in this schedule, RE means revision exam, and CG means grand exam, and that will be grand exam will be based on cumulative syllabus of revision exams. Okay. Now, as you can see here, first you have got group 1, FR, SFM, audit, and law. Revision exam 1, 2, 3, grand exam set 1, and grand exam set 2. So you can see clearly what is the syllabus and how much is the duration and what about the marks, everything. Next, group 2, and my subject is over here, SCM and PE. So revision exam 4, and you have got on this particular day marks and duration, and the entire schedule is beautifully written here. We have put in, I'm telling you guys, lot of efforts, and what can I say, brainstorming, that's the right word I can use. Brainstorming went into this preparation. As you can see with your own eyes, lot of effort went through, and we tried to make it very disciplined, very near to perfect. Okay, so then you have revision exam 6, then grand exam 2, set 1 and set 2, and the same thing, 8, 9, then we have again grand exams 3, set 1 and set 2, 10, 11, 12, then grand exams, and you have 13, 14, 15, then again grand exam based on cumulative syllabus of revision exam, and 16, 17 and 18, then you have got grand exam, and finally you have got mock test as well. So this is your complete schedule. Now, okay, now you have got so many questions. Sir, can we join? How to join? First of all, you can call this particular number which I've already shown you, and you can call that particular number, and you can join. You can join both groups. Here I've shown you the clear schedule for both the groups. Or if you want, you can join for single group, or if you want, you can join for single paper as well. If you say, sir, say for example, I want only for law, you can join for law. I want only for IDT, you can join for IDT. Sir, I want only your SC and PE exam, I want to write that test series, you can join for the same. Because some of you might be feeling that I'm not weak in all the subjects, I'm weak in only one particular subject. So that particular subject where I'm weak, so if I write test series, it will give me confidence and eventually it works well. So in that case, you can go for single paper as well. So we have thought about every variable. So that's why, as I told you, brainstorming has happened. And so we thought about everything, every single possibility. Some student may like this, some student may like this, some student may not like this, that. So we wanted to provide each and every option available so that each and every student will be happy with what he needs. That's why a lot of days we have spent on this, and a lot of brainstorming went through. So as you can see here, you can go for both groups or single group or single paper as well. Okay. Apart from this, what else we have to really look into? Now that I've shown you the schedule of both the groups, and you can just follow up the schedule and move on. Next up, Sir, is it paid? Yes, it is paid. So it is not a free service, no, no. Obviously it is paid because a lot of man hours are being spent into this, so obviously it is a paid service. Now in this, with respect to this service of test series, okay, so test series by team exam heist. So you have got two choices over here. Either you can go for self evaluation or you can go for premium service. Okay, see, normally what happens is that your question paper will be mailed in encrypted form to your mail ID. It will be only in readable format. You cannot print it out because, as you know, it's a know-how. Okay, so if it is a just like question papers which is picked by some people, the employees, then we would not be taking such a care. Okay, because it's prepared by us. We wanted it to be secure because I personally experienced it with my Power Notes as well. There has been a lot of misuse and people have started reselling as well. Who I don't know who is reselling to whom. So I've trusted few people and I went with the decision and it backfired a lot and therefore I've stopped. I was forced to stop as well. And so that's how things are happening. Therefore, we wanted to be sure and we wanted to keep things secure and therefore it will come only in an encrypted form for you. Now, so when it comes in an encrypted form, the thing is you can watch it, and you can just write your exam and you can do self evaluation. Okay. Or you can write your answer, scan the copy and mail it to us or WhatsApp, whatever it is. You call that number, they'll tell you the procedure, and that will be evaluated by the team of chartered accountants. Now, when I was explaining you at the beginning, I told you something about customization. You guys remember that customization in the sense, sir, you can either stick to exam high schedule which I've shown you just now, or sir, I've already prepared my preparation strategy, I cannot deviate from the same. In that case, if you are preparing a particular chapter, accordingly after that chapter you can write the exams and those important questions with respect to that particular chapter will be sent to you. You can write the exam. Now for that option, customization option, only self evaluation is available. Premium service is not available because we can ask our team of chartered accountants to evaluate the papers only if it is as per our schedule. Only then we'll have clarity. Because if we allow for customization, then it just becomes kind of chaos. Okay, it doesn't work that way. So we have brainstormed it as well, and we have felt that it doesn't work. So therefore, if you're gonna go for customization, only self evaluation option will be available for you with respect to the test series. I mean, how your paper is getting evaluated. Whereas when it comes to premium service, it is available only if you go according to the exam heist schedule. Okay, you should stick on with the exam heist schedule, test series schedule, and then you'll be having this premium service option as well. So if you stick on to the schedule of exam heist, you have two options. Either you can go for premium service where your answer sheets which has been scanned and sent to us will be corrected or valued by qualified CAs, and or you can do self evaluation yourself. So two options are available if you stick on to the schedule of exam heist. If you don't stick on to the schedule and you want to prepare in your own strategical way, which means customization, then only self evaluation option is available. I hope I have made it very clear. And with respect to how the communication should happen between the student and the team, there are two options available for you. One is online mode, the other one is offline mode. So online mode, in the sense, as I told you, they'll mail you and then you have to just take it as scan or photo, something like that, and then you have to send it in the form of PDFs to the team so that they will evaluate. Offline mode, it can happen through post as well, although I don't recommend this, especially in COVID-19 scenario, but that option is available because few students. But honestly speaking, I'm not in favor of it. Why? Because this is COVID-19 scenario, and you know that post will take a lot of time. And even when I'm trying to dispatch my physical books for my classes, SCMP classes, pen drive or Google Drive classes, in local area itself, when I was one case, there was one case where from Hyderabad we have dispatched to a location in Hyderabad. It took 20 days late. Why? Because the one of the delivery guy has got this corona positive and he got quarantined. That's what the courier people have told when we have asked why there's a delay. So the point is that so anything could happen. We tried to send it to Tamil Nadu, we tried to send it to Mumbai, and all of a sudden it became 10 days late, sometimes 5 days late, sometimes 3 days late. So there's a lot of uncertainty. So it's better if you go for online. Okay. Then so as I told you, the discount is also available. I hope I have covered all the points. Fantastic. So finally, what I can try to tell you guys is that utilize this particular opportunity. It's a brilliant opportunity, I can say. And As I can tell you guys from my side, you know, the quality of the question paper is going to be top notch. That's what I can promise. And from the point of view of the team also, I can promise you the same, because you have seen it yourself in CA final RPL, by the exam heist team, that it was rocking in each and every paper, each and every subject. So we have gems as a faculty, not only with respect to the subject but in character as well. I just I'm proud to be part of this particular team. We are so, what can I say, so every time we talk with each other and we try to work out or something for the students, and how can we tackle this, how can we tackle this particular subject, the kind of ideas that we come up with as a team, so that's brilliant. So it's not just my effort or it's somebody else, it's the team as a whole. So what are the appreciation that comes from your side, it goes for the team as a whole, and that team is Team Exam Heist, which is inclusive of all the faculties plus all the employees as well. Employees, if you are watching this particular video, thank you so much guys, because even though the idea comes from our mind, it has to be executed by you. You are the guys who prepare all these things, even though we tell you what to do, but still it has to be done, and you put in lots of efforts. Believe me guys, there are days where they have worked, 12 1 o'clock night. So it's like, it's just brilliant. So all this that we are doing is only to give you something that can help you out, that can give you some sort of positive leverage, so that you can come out with flying colors by passing the exams. Not just passing, getting exemption and more. Okay. So I hope I've done a little bit of justice in explaining you guys everything. So with respect to this particular video of how this test series is planned, I've shown you the schedule as well. And so I hope this will help you guys. And just like the RPL, I hope we guys will satisfy you. And with this, that small help that we can provide from ourselves, so that you can write your examination a little bit better and come out with flying colors, and add that two magical words CA in front of your name, and you'll be called CA, whatever it is, as I'm CA Prasanna Kumar. That's a proud feeling, right? Right. Thank you guys. So let's wind up. Jai Hind.